data sheet with a do's and don'ts, compostable pail, and 12 rolls of compostable plastic. Okay, alright then, so right now we're going to go over how to line your pail. You're going to take off the top, and with the compostable plastic bag, you're going to dip it inside and make sure it goes over the top, like so, okay? And then you're going to cover it. What's also important is that where to consider you're going to place this. You can go on the kitchen counter, underneath your sink, basically anywhere in the kitchen where you and your family will be okay with. Besides that, there shouldn't be an issue. Okay. Next, guys, is food prep. So there are things throughout the week that you're gonna eat that can be composted. So you have banana peels, place that inside. Chopped up celery, more banana peels, orange peels, apple core. Alright then. Now, there are some things that you guys are going to eat that'll be too big to place inside, like this. Even though it's best to chop it up. So we're going to cut it in half. And from there it's fine. Everyone likes to eat avocados and make guac. But what's great about what's bad about the shell is they come with a sticker, and the sticker isn't compostable. So what we're gonna have to do is de-sticker it, place the shell that's already fine in there, and then with the sticker, just throw it out in the trash. The sticker isn't compostable. So what we're gonna have to do is de-sticker it. Yeah. Put in some more stuff, like eggshells can perfectly go in there, and leftover oranges, carrots, all that stuff can go in there. Some of us like to plant at home. We have stuff like this. Leftover rose stems. These are too big. Maybe with the scissor, the deal, but or tear it up in half. And there, it's still too tall, even though it's right above it. So cut it up again. Place it inside. Okay. It's coffee grounds, perfectly fine. You can go in a compostable bag, and the coffee filter if it's plastic as well, paper as well. Sorry about that. We receive bunches from herbs or stuff like that. They're wrapped within elastic rubber band or twisty ties. Those can be placed inside the pail, so just take those out. And the herbs go inside there. Make sure the bag doesn't spill over inside. Always make sure it's out in there. Alright then, so at the end of the week, guys, we're gonna, with your week's worth of food scraps, we're gonna grab what's inside, tie it up, place it on your scale, make sure it's on and in ounces. Place it on there. And it is 37.4 ounces. And then place this inside your green bucket. Drop it on there. Tie this up. Tie this up. And place it outside.